So core Java weekend add-on demo. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training sessions. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having almost 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. I have almost 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. So what is this course? This course duration, everything I will explain. The title of the course is, it is a core Java. It is a core Java. The duration of this course is 7 weekends. We are going to complete the total Java in our 7 weekends. What about the timings? The timings of the session is from 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So every weekend, that is on Saturday and Sunday, we are going to start the session at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. in the sense evening time. And it will be there up to 10:30, like 3.5 hours. But please make sure that the class will be there only for 3 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to give two 15-minute breaks or 1/2 hour break, depending on the scenario. So next and after that, what is the fees for this batch is rupees 5,000. So this is nothing but fees what we have. Already we started this batch last before week itself we started. So I already taken some classes for them. Just it is a kind of continuation. But whatever topics I covered for them, definitely I'm going to cover here also. After that only, I'm going to merge those two batches. So now I don't want to type the total syllabus again here. So just I will copy paste the syllabus, what we are going to cover there. In our total course, what benefits you are going to get, everything. So I'm going to copy paste here. So you can see the benefits which you are going to get from my courses. You will get running notes access. That is whatever I am typing now. I am going to share this as it is for you people. That is running notes. And you will get recorded videos. These recorded videos are 6 months validity. You will get 6 months validity of the recording videos. And I'm going to share some personal resources with some lifetime validity, means some pattern programming like that. And we are going to cover some programming also, like logic building questions I'm going to give, where you can expect 350 programs. So once if the topic got completed, okay, once if the topic got completed, so you have to practice those programs. For example, today I have taken for loop. So for loop related programs will be there. I'm going to give those as assignment. You need to practice. There will be one hacker rank link, in that you have to practice. It is a customized hacker rank link. And anyway, Java new features from 1.5 to till latest version. Every feature I'm not going to cover. Whatever important features are there, so I'm going to address those important features. And coming to the syllabus, there are 5 parts will be there. In first part, fundamentals, the complete fundamentals, like starting from the steps to create Java program to naming conventions, data types, literals, so operators, input output statements. So next and after that, selection statements, iterative statements, transfer statements, okay, nested loops, pattern programming, n number of things are there, right? So everything we are going to cover. Even On each and every topic completion, we have some quizzes also will be there, and some coding related questions will be there. So hacker rank link I'm going to give. All these things you are going to get. And what about next one? Object oriented programming, second part. So these fundamentals and object oriented programming are the very important things. Rest of the things, even if you are not having any idea also, no problem. So these object oriented programming, internally we have around 50 subtopics are there. Internally we have around 50 subtopics are there. Every subtopic in detail I'm going to discuss. And part 3, there are some containers to hold the data, to store the data. In Java, we have arrays are there, strings are there, collections are there, generics are there. By using these, just we can able to hold some data for temporary purpose. And we have some advanced topics also will be there, like regular expressions, which is used for validation purpose, wrapper classes, exception handling, multi-threading, lambda expressions. That means these lambda expressions, functional interface, stream API, these things I'm going to cover in our Java new features. And the last part, but which is very very important, once if everything is okay, compulsory we have to store the data. You can store either in file or database. If you are trying to store your data in file, then there won't be any organized manner. If you store the data in database, there will be some systematic order will be there. Okay, so these kind of things, how to store, how to retrieve, query support is there or not, like in detail will be there. So these are nothing but I can say the storage areas what we have. So in our Java we are going to cover these 5 parts. Do you have any queries up to this whatever I covered? Please feel free to ask any questions.
Which version of Java we are covering, sir?
Sir, actually we are going to cover Java 1.8. So Java is not based on version, sir. Okay, so it is a concept oriented things. So what is the difference between one version to another version? Maybe you are going to get some new features. Beyond that, nothing. Everything is the same. Suppose if you take Java 8, there will be some new concepts will be there. So till Java 8, so you can define only the declarations in interface. But from 1.8 onwards, you can add some extra content. Like you can provide definitions also. Those methods are called as default methods. Like that, some extra concepts will be there, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Clear?
No.
Any other queries, guys?
I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
So actually, I'm working for IT only as SAP CPI developer. In our
Okay.
SAP CPI, will be having inbuilt options provided by SAP. By using that, we will do conversion of the data, and we'll tend to the source to target system. Either it is file or XML or any JSON file. So whenever it is not happening with SAP palette functions, then we have to write Groovy script.
Okay.
So to learn Groovy, I'm starting this CoreJava. So I just want to know whether it helps or not.
Sir, I don't have any idea in that area, but somewhere I heard definitely core Java basics must be required for that. But up to
Yes,
what
actually,
extent,
yeah,
I
Groovy
don't
is
know.
yes, completely like it will be like Java only. Then Groovy is a little bit easy, like that special characters handling and all. Not special characters, like whatever we will give in Java code semicolon and all mandatory. There it is not mandatory. But every like even my leads and all suggested me Like if you know core Java, then you can handle it. So I just want to know whether here we are going to get all those, how to read an XML, and if any data variations should be done.
Sir,
So,
XML files and all we are not going to cover here.
Okay.
But maybe, sir, what I understood in your point is definitely you will get some inputs from this.
Yes.
So which is going to be helpful for learning Groovy. Okay.
Okay. So, like data type variables, if else, array, hash map, these are mainly required functions for me.
Yes, definitely we are going to cover in detail.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
every
one more suggestion from my end.
Okay.
Suppose if I am putting 60% effort,
Okay.
parallelly at least 40% effort you need to put you from your end.
Yes, sir. Actually, I started learning on my own, but it is not happening. So I thought better I can learn from trainers first.
Sir, my sincere suggestion is
Yeah.
part 1 and part 2 are very, very important, sir. Like fundamentals and OOPS concepts.
Okay.
If you are clear with these two, rest of the things, even by watching the videos also, we can learn.
Okay. Okay.
So please be concentrate on these two every day. Once if the topic got completed, you have
Okay.
1 week time, right?
Yes.
So you can recall. I'm going to share my number also. Whenever you are getting any queries, you can put a message. So I will
Okay.
be available for those things. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any queries? If you are clear, then we will move. Clear up to this. Right. Now. So I'm going to start from the beginning, sir. I'm going to start from the beginning. What is the first topic that I'm going to take here is Java history. Sir, who introduced this Java programming? Just I don't want to go in dive into the syllabus, I mean theory part. Just at very top level, what is what I will cover. See, initially there is one famous company is there with the name Sun Micro Systems. These Sun Micro Systems are the official vendors for Java. So that means in the beginning days, if I want to download any Java software, or if I want to get any update, or if I want to see the documentation of the Java, compulsory you need to install this Java software from the Sun Microsystems Corporation only. We need to approach to this website and you need to download from this and you have to download the documents from there and you have to go through that. In the olden days, from Java 8 onwards, so they have given the complete rights to Oracle company. Now this Java is sponsored by Oracle company. If you want to get any updates regarding this, you need to go through this Oracle website only. Next, sir, initially is the Java name directly they have given? No, it is called as OAK programming language is there. OAK programming language is there. Actually, it is a tree name, sir, which represents a strength. So in some countries, there is a one tree is there with name. Yeah, I will address all the queries. Please wait. So there is one tree with name OAK. Even nowadays also, to develop, I mean to prepare these furnitures and all, they are using these OAK woods, which is nothing but a big tree which represents strength. So like that, they have given the name of the Java like OAK programming language at the very beginning. But later they found that with this name already there is one small scripting programming language is there in the market. They identified that there is one scripting programming language is there with this name. So immediately what they did is they rejected this name. Then, so they went for alternative name. What is that alternative name is nothing but what? Java programming language. So I can say it is a coffee seed name. What is the name of this Java? It is a coffee seed name. So whenever they are introducing this language in their office, they found Java coffee seed trees nearby. That's why they have selected this name as a programming language name. Beyond that, nothing, sir. There is no story. Sir, who has given this kind of idea and who developed this? There are some teams with 5 to 6 members, but leader of the team is nothing but James Gosling and a team. They discovered this Java on 23rd January 1996. Officially, the first version of Java came with name JDK 1.0. Here JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for what? Java Development Kit. This is nothing but a small introduction what we have related to Java. So don't go for in detail. It is not required as of now. Clear up to this, guys? Please acknowledge me. Clear up
Yes,
to
sir.
this?
Yeah, we are clear.
Right. And this Java is available in so many editions. This Java is available in 3 different editions. What is the first edition is Java Enterprise Edition or Java Standard Edition is there. After that, Java Enterprise Edition is there. Then we have Java Micro Edition is there. Like that, there are 3 editions are there. Sir, what is the difference? Very simple. If you take Java Standard Edition, what things will be there here? Sir, it is also called as J2SE. J2SE means what? Java 2 Standard Edition. So here we are going to learn fundamentals. All the fundamental related stuff will be available here. Sir, what is another name for this? It is also called as CoreJava. The Java which we are learning now is nothing but what? CoreJava only. Okay. So after this, the next point, by using this CoreJava, you can develop standalone applications. Standalone applications in the sense what? Sir, I want to develop one application like which will ask my daily expenditure status. In every day, I am going to update. Once if month got completed, I want to get the total report. This is nothing but my requirement. Sir, for to meet that requirement, is there any server related programming languages we need to develop? No. A simple application you can run, which is going to ask some information. From that we can get. See, these kind of things, can I use word called, it is a standalone application, which is going to run in a single mission. We will develop the application in one mission. We will run that application also in the same mission. That means to run this application, to develop this application, client server architecture is not required. Without a client server architecture, we will develop. Sir, can you please give some examples for this? Yes, definitely. Calculator application is there. Sir, paint application is there. I want to find out factorial of the given number by using swings concept. So by using these examples, I mean, for developing these kind of small chota applications, we can use Java Standard Edition. Sir, what about Enterprise Edition? Java Enterprise Edition. Sir, what is this Java Enterprise Edition? What is the purpose of this Enterprise Edition? Very simple, sir. It is called as J2EE. So to learn advanced concepts, we should go for this Enterprise Edition. It is also called as Advanced Java. By using this Advanced Java, you can develop distributed applications or web-based applications. Sir, we can execute distributed applications or web-based applications. Sir, it follows client-server architecture. With the client-server architecture, you are going to get these things. Sir, can you please tell me some examples for that? Yes. To prepare Gmail application, we will use Enterprise Edition. Sir, online ticket reservation, we have to use this Gmail, client server architecture. Zoom application, because if I want to check my mail, you need to give some authentication details like username and a password. But where your inbox page will be there? It is available somewhere in the server, right? So from that you will get. What about online ticket reservation? Sir, the server is located somewhere, but if we are going to operate from here. Can I say it is a client server architecture? Yes, somewhere the data will be there. From here we are going to access. Such type of applications are called as what? Enterprise Edition. To develop these applications, compulsory you should have a knowledge in client server architecture, where Enterprise Edition is going to give that. So that's why to understand these concepts, you must have a clear clarity in CoreJava. If you are having clear clarity in CoreJava, then only you can understand this. Sir, clear up to this? Any questions?
No.
Is everything is clear? Please confirm, guys.
Yes, sir, we are clear.
Right. There is one version which is not that much popular. So Java Micro Edition, no one is using this because it is for completely mobile development. It is called as J2ME, which internally uses micro programming. It is used to develop mobile based applications, and it is purely run on mobile hardware. It is going to purely run on mobile hardware or operating system. Examples for this is nothing but, I can say, Java games. In the olden days, for 90s kid, they can understand. In the very beginning, college days, so Java games are very popular. And please make sure that this edition is not up to the mark. It is not up to the mark. So because no one is going to use, because Android is playing an important role, right? That's why no one is going to use these mobile based applications through Java. These are the three editions what we have. So anyway, we are going to learn Java, core Java in this course. After completion of this, if anyone interested, so some advanced Java batches also will be there. There we are going to learn frameworks, how to develop application in your system, and how you are going to deploy that application. So how you are going to interact with the server. N number of things will be there. Those things we are going to see in that. Up to this, any queries? Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir, we are clear.
Right. Yeah. Next one. Sir, Java versions. What are all the various versions of Java available? See, at very beginning, Java 1.0 came in the month of January 1996. After that, Java 1.1 came, not required for remembering these years and all. Next Java 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8. So after that they call it as Java 9, Java 10. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So after that Java 20 came. So Java 20 came in the month of March 2023. Then Java 21 came in the month of September 2023. Then Java 22 came in the month of March 2024. So Java 23 came in the month of September 2024. Like that, these are nothing but as of now 23 versions of Javas are available. Sir, these many Java means we need to get a burden to learn. No, version to version, small changes will be there. And there are some fixed standard editions are there, like Java 1.8, Java 1.5, Java 11, like that. So in those versions majority of the updates will be there. In the remaining, maybe memory management improvement, some socket related programming improvement, like that, small things. Just we need to understand what new things are there and we need to go. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir, clear.
Right. Now, of course, it is very hard to digest now, but I will start programming. See, softwares required to run Java applications. Sir, I want to run Java applications in my system. What softwares you need? The first software which is required is nothing but we need an editor. Editor means what? Maybe Notepad or Notepad plus plus or Edit plus, okay, or Sublime Text. Like that, there are so many editors are available in the market. Just you need to download these editors in your system and install. Because if you are practicing the programs in editors, somewhat syntax highlighting will be there, like n number of facilities you are going to get. Now you can see the notes content which I am typing is a editor. What is the name of the editor? Edit plus. If you want to see the advantage, you can see. If I select C programming, almost a skeleton it is displaying. If I select Java program, it will give the default skeleton. So less number of errors you will get. So these are nothing but mandatory to download this editor. Sir, okay, I installed some editors in my system. What is the additional softwares required? Sir, my suggestion is we need some command prompt, sir. So we are not required to install this because by default it is existed in every operating system. You can take any operating system, by default this edit plus, sorry, this command prompt will be there. So by default in every operating system this command prompt will be there. Sir, we have to download and install Java latest version. It is recommended to download and install Java latest version. Even if you are installing any version, it is okay. But please make sure that don't go for the versions which are less than 1.8. 1.8 or higher versions are recommended. Next, at last, sir, compulsory you have to take some IDEs also. What is this IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So we have some IDEs are there like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ IDEA, VS Code, like that. What is the advantage of these IDEs? Because if you are installing any software, okay, fine, you can work. But if you install any IDEs, so at the time of learning, editor is mandatory. But at the time of working on project, compulsory you have to use IDEs, because modularity, division will be there. And wherever you are doing mistake, while typing itself, it is going to give alert messages. Like you will get some special features there. That's why it is recommended to install these IDEs also. But in our course, I won't use any IDE up to completion of whoops. Once if the whoops completed, then only I will use IDE. Till that, I'm not going to use any IDE. This is nothing but what we have, sir. So if you are clear with this, we will see steps to create Java application. Sir, if I want to develop any Java application, what steps we have to follow, I will demonstrate. Any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Yes, everyone please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what are the steps that we have here? The first step, we have to select any editor. We have to select any editor and type the Java program. So as of now, I will select the editor as a notepad, sir. I am selecting the editor as a notepad. Sir, type the program. Sir, I don't know the Java program. Don't worry. At the very beginning, it is hard to understand, but try to understand at a very top level. In future, you will get clarity for each and every word. See, explaining C program is very easy, but understanding the Java program is very difficult. But don't worry, once if you go in deeper into the language, then only you will get clarity. Okay, so now assume in every programming language, compulsory main method will be there. What is the purpose of main method? Sir, I want to print some message called what? Good evening. So I think you people have some knowledge in the programming. Can I say it is a program for printing good evening message? Forget about any programming language. Because every programming language start their execution from where? Main function. So print is the generalized term. Within double quotation, if you are giving anything, it will print. Any doubt in this program as of now?
No.
Right. Sir, in Java, there is some special decoration will be there for main. What is a decoration? Sometimes your main method may accept parameters also. Sometimes your main method may accept parameters also. Sir, what parameters? It is a string array, ARGS. ARGS means what? Arguments, name of the parameter. So why I am giving string array? Because it is always of type string. It is always of type string, like that we have. Sir, in addition to that, you have to take this main in public and static. These are the modifiers what we have in Java. Sir, what is mean by public? From anywhere we can access. What is mean by static? In Java, there is one biggest problem. What is that problem is, sir, without object, you can't access anything. Even if you want to execute a simple Java program also, compulsory object must be required. Sir, without object, is there any possibility to execute anything means? Yes. That is nothing but what? Main method. If you declare as a static, without object, we can access. Sir, except main method. Any other methods we can declare as a static? Yes, happily we can declare. I will explain that in future. Sir, any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Now, what is the next one is? Java is object-oriented programming. Sir, it is a pure object-oriented programming. Strictly it will follow. Compulsory. Your program must be enclosed within a class. Sir, class means what? It is related to the object-oriented terminology. Sir, okay, what is this demo? If you are taking any class, there should be some name, right? That's why. Now, please respond. Any queries up to this?
No.
Array, please respond, everyone.
No, sir.
No.
Clear.
Yes.
Now, sir, in C language, we will use printf to display the message. In C language. In C++, we will use cout. In Python, we will use print. But in Java, system dot out dot, so print ln, like this we have to take. What is this a system? It is nothing but a class. Out, it is an reference. Print ln. After printing the message, please transfer the control to next line. Like that we have. This is nothing but a simple Java program what we have. Can you please tell me what is the class name I have taken?
Demo.
Demo. Remember this. You have to save the file. So I selected the editor and I typed the program. What is the second step? We have to write a Java program based on syntax rules. Sir, I don't know the syntax rules. That's why you joined into this course. I will explain the syntax. What is the third step? We have to save the file in proper location. In proper location with the file name as class name and extension as .java. So what is the class name that we have taken? Demo. That's why please try to save the file with which name? Demo.java. Sir, where we have to save? No problem. Let us go to the save and see there are two drives are there. Let me take C drive. In that there is one folder with name Java Weekend March 2025. Sir, inside this I am taking demo.java. That's all. Sir, in which folder this particular file is available? In C colon, there is one special folder is there with name Java Weekend. So March 2025. So inside this, I saved this file. What is the name I have given? Demo.java. So do you have any doubt in these three steps? Please confirm.
No.
No.
What is the fourth step? You have to open command prompt and move to the location where we saved our file. Sir, we have to move to the location where we saved our file. Sir, how to open the command prompt? Go to run and type cmd. Sir, is the command prompt came or not? Yes. Now what we have to do? It is in which folder? C drive, users, reddpr. I want to move to the Java folder. CD backslash to come out from all folders. CD space Java weekend Feb. F is not there, but no problem. While creating, I have used this. So I entered into the folder. Then how to compile the program? Java C demo.java. Anyway, that part I will explain. So we have to open the command prompt and we need to move to the location where we saved our file. Any queries up to this? If you want, you can see, sir. If you press dir star.java, all the Java files which are present in this particular folder will be displayed. Sir, today only, 15 March, we created one file. What is the name of the file? Demo.java. Any queries?
No.
Sir, feeling comfortable, everyone, please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Next one. Next point. Sir, we have to compile Java program by using which command? Java C command. So there is one special command is there. What is the name of the command? Java C. What is the syntax? Java C file name dot Java. Now try to compile Java C. What is the file name? Demo.java. If the program is having any mistakes, it will show you. If the program doesn't contain any mistakes, the control will be transferred to the next line. If the program is not having any errors, the control is going to transfer to the next line. Now my program is not having any error. That's why after compilation, it returned to the command prompt. Sir, what about next step? We have to run the Java program by using which command? Java command. So we have to run the Java program by using Java command. What is the syntax, sir? Java space. You need to give class name. Sir, how to run? Java space. What is a class name? Demo. Sir, whatever message I am trying to print, it is coming or not? Yes. But don't worry, there are multiple cases or multiple doubts you may have. Like, sir, I want to compulsory, I need to take the file name and class name as a same. If I take different file name, inside program, if I take different class name, what will happen? That part and all I will explain in detail. Don't worry, guys. Up to this, any questions from your end?
No.
Please respond, everyone. Clear?
Clear, sir. Good session.
Sir, if you are clear with this, there are some important concepts, important conclusions you must understand. As a programmer, you will do small mistakes while writing the Java program. So what are the common mistakes that everyone is going to do that we need to identify? So now I will explain some 10 special cases. If you are clear with these 10 cases, you will get confident on writing Java program. Can I go for those 10 cases now? Please confirm.
Yes.
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 Right. Now I will make it as a note. Note number 1. Sir, Java is case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive means what? Lower case letters, uppercase letters are same or different? Different. Correct? I can use the word that is lower case letters and uppercase letters are treated as different. Means what? Small a and capital A are not same. Correct, sir?
Yes.
That's why while creating the Java program, please make sure that file names are very important. Suppose assume I want to save the file with the name test.java. Some people are going to use 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 like test.java. Like these different styles they are going to use. But don't go for all these. Sir, all are something like I can say invalid only. This first approach is there, right? This is nothing but valid and recommended. Recommended way. Sir, why? Because if you take file name as a capital letter, easy for identification because it is the class name. Soon we are going to cover naming conventions. There certain rules are there. So then you will get clarity because it is the class name. Class name must starts with the capital letter. Next characters and all you need to take in the lowercase. Sir, can you please run a program in any other editors? I already shown the program in Notepad. Now I am using this editor like Edit Plus. This is my favorite editor. See, just to go to file, create a new. Here multiple pages are there, multiple files are there. Do you want to prepare any HTML page, or do you want to prepare any CRC++, or do you want to prepare any Java file? Like that it is asking. Sir, what is my requirement? I want to create a Java file. Have you observed? We are not required to type. Automatically the syntax is coming. Now I am giving the file name as nothing but what? Test. How to save? In which folder? C drive, Java weekend is there. I am going to save like a test.java. This is the program. What is the file name I have given? Test.java. This is nothing but content. How to compile? Just now I told. Java C test.java you have to take. No errors. Java space test. You can see we are getting output like hello world. This is the way how you can able to execute your Java program in edit place. Are you clear with the first note?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear. Sir, feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Sir, note to 2. Very, very important note, sir. Please listen carefully. What is the second notice? Sir, I am going to create one Java file. Okay. So I want to print a message called hi here. But class name I am taking as a triple B. But a file name I am taking like a triple A. Now observe. What is the file name? Triple A.java. This is the content. What is the class name? Triple B. Now observe carefully. If I am trying to take Java C space triple B dot Java, I am feeling that the class name is triple B. That's why I am compiling. Immediately we are getting one error. Sir, in Java, if you read the errors, you will get 50% of Java, sir. What is this error? Java C command, file not found. What is the file? Triple B dot Java. Array, you are trying to open triple B dot Java, but that file is not there. How I can load? Like that it is telling. Sir, can I say it is invalid? Yes. Then how to compile? Sir, I saved with triple A. Okay, fine. While running, I am giving triple A. Sir, it is telling could not find or load the main class called triple A. Array, in your folder, triple A class is not there. How I can load? Like that it is telling. Sir, can I take Java space triple B now? Yes, happily we can take. So if you take file name and class name as a different, what will happen? I think you got clarity. So to avoid these conflicts, what we need to do? Sir, it is highly recommended. It is highly recommended to save our file with a class name. Are you clear with the second note? Please confirm. Yes,
Yes.
please. If you are having any queries, please feel free to ask.
We have two classes, then how can we run?
Sir, as of now, you can take, generally, sir, there is one rule. In Java, you can take only one class per file. You should not take more than one class. In Java development, at the ending of OOPS concepts, I'm going to cover a topic called packages. There I will explain. On the contradiction part, you can take any number of classes. There is no issue. But which class you are executing is the matter. So anyway, I will explain that part also. Don't worry. We can declare multiple classes also. There is no issue. But which class you are executing, in that main method is there or not, it will check. If it is there, it will execute. Otherwise, it won't. Clear? It is too early to discuss about this, sir. Right. Sir, next one. Sir, everything is okay. I am taking one Java program like test.java. Oh, sorry. The file name is test. Now observe. I am printing a message called only hello. I want to change these two words. Can I change? Just with your knowledge, tell me whether it is right or wrong, secondary. Can I take like this? Array, tell me, yaar.
Yes.
Can I take?
Yeah, can I? We can.
Yes. If you take like this, no problem. Your program is going to successfully compile, even it will execute. So what is the point here is, first point, public and static are modifiers in Java. Sir, modifiers means what? Not required to get clarity now. We will get soon. So we can take modifiers in any order. In any order, no problem. No problem at all. You can take in any order. But sir, but recommended to take public first. It is recommended to take public first. In any order you can take. There is no issue at all. But if you take public as a first, it is a good programming practice. Are you clear with the note 3? Okay. Please confirm.
Yes.
So can I take here, instead of void main, can I take main void? Please confirm.
No.
No. Because first return type, then function name. Am I right? In the functional programming, first we have to take return type, then function name. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, see what will happen. We are violating that rule. Immediately, some n number of errors you may get. Something like identifier expected, like that we are getting. So what is the conclusion here? We can't. Okay, so we can't interchange void and main, because the meaning is going to change. We can't. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, note number 5. What is a note number 5 is, see, public static void main I am taking. So instead of main, I am taking Prakash. Is it valid? Is it valid?
Mm.
Invalid. Now tell me, is it valid? Is there any error?
Still,
No.
while running, it will came error.
Yes. But there is no mistake, right? Are you understanding?
Yes.
There is no mistake. But when you are running the program, what Java is going to fill? JVM is there. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. That Java Virtual Machine, in this entire program, JVM is always searching for main. Is there any main? No, right?
No.
Then immediately what will happen? You can read the error. Error, main method not found in class test. Array, I scanned the total class called test because you are running test class only. I scanned the total class, but I didn't find any main method. Seems to be main method is not defined. Can you please define like that? So in the place of main, we can take, in the place of main, we can take any name, no issue at all, no issue at all. But during execution, JVM will always search for main method. If it is existed, it will execute. Else it rises error saying, what is the error? Main method not found. Like that we will get error. This is nothing but the best example for that. Any queries, guys?
No.
Clear? Note number 6. Now tell me, I am removing this one. Tell me, is it valid now?
Yes.
Without main method, can I take the program?
No.
Now, see, I am compiling the program. Is it valid or invalid? Valid, right?
Well,
Because compilation means what? It is checking, is there any mistakes in the program or not? That's all, right? Here there is no mistake. But during runtime, I am searching for main. Since it is not there, whatever error that we got in the previous, same error only we are getting here. Got it, friends?
got it.
What is the point here? Without main method, we can declare a class in Java. But during execution, JVM will always search for main method only. So no much explanation is needed. So previous case and this case, almost similar points. Sir, any questions? Please confirm. Any questions?
No.
Right. Now observe. Sir, I am taking main method. Instead of string arguments, I am taking integer arguments. Can I take like this?
Yeah, we can take, but it will not print hello.
Yes, we can take. It is valid, but same error. Main method is not
Yeah.
found.
Right.
What is the meaning here? We can declare main method with different argument types, but JVM will search only for string array main method. Got it, friends? Clear? Now, sir, I am taking this main method and this main method. Hello1, hello2. Here I am taking string. Can I take like this?
Yes.
Yes, no problem. There is no compilation issue while running hello2. Why hello2 is printing? Because it is having string arguments. Am I
String.
right?
Right.
Sir, any queries?
No.
Right. Next, note 9. So I am taking main method. Here also I am taking string array. Here also I am taking string array. Now, is it valid?
Valid.
Valid. Now see, the program never compiles. What is the message it is telling? Array already string array argument main method is there. Again, why you are defining like that? It is telling. Got it?
Got it.
So can I use the word called duplicate? Duplicate main methods are not allowed. But at least you can change the argument type. Clear? Now, sir, same main method I am taking. Instead of args, I am taking params. Can I take like that?
Yes.
Please confirm. Can I take like that?
Yes.
So we can take, there is no problem because it is just like a variable name, right? We
Yeah.
can take, the program is going to work fine. Clear?
Yes.
So we can change the name. We can change the name of main method. Sorry, we can change the name of IARGS. It compiles and runs fine because it is just like variable name. So these are nothing but 10 important cases what you need to understand. Any queries up to this, whatever I covered? Any queries? Clear? Please confirm. Come on, speak. Any queries?
No.
You can able to understand the concepts, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So with this, I'm going to stop demo. Please wait. So tomorrow we will take a lengthy session, sir. So tomorrow also, please join at 5 o'clock by using the same link. Join at 5 o'clock. So tomorrow I'm going to take up to 7:30 or 8 like that. 5 to 6, 6 to 7 or 7:30. 1.5 hour or 2 hours I will take. What the topic I will explain is a suspense. Later I will give. But a continuation, what topics we need to discuss? Sir, we have to see the installation of Java software. After that, setting path. Majority of students are having doubt in this. Sir, how to set the path in a temporary way and a permanent way? And some execution related commands are there. I'm going to demonstrate those one also. Okay. And so how to execute or how to execute the programs by creating batch files, creation of batch files, how you are going to create batch files, how you are going to shift from one version to another version. So after that, for my previous batch in the sense, same weekend batch only. So I covered some concepts like, yeah, so data type and typecasting I covered. So data type and typecasting, data types and typecasting. Okay, so these are the topics which I covered for that previous batch. So same topics I'm going to repeat for you people. But before coming to the tomorrow's class, just I will share one link. Go through the videos in that and come. Anyway, I will repeat that topic. Okay, guys. One second. Just I am searching for that playlist. Yeah, so here you can see I have taken 2 sessions. So where I covered the data types concept. Okay, where I covered the data types concept, just to go through these videos. Anyway, I'm going to repeat, don't worry. So tomorrow I'm going to start a new concept. What is the topic is IO statements. Anyone tell me what is mean by IO?
Input output set.
Yes. How to read dynamic data from the user, how we can able to print that values. After that, interesting topic like operators. So these 2 topics I'm going to finish tomorrow. Maybe I can take 2.5 hours or 3 hours also. please attend without fail. From next week onwards, so you need to pay and you need to attend the classes. And I told already the clear instructions. Okay. Now feel free to ask your questions. Any questions from your side?
Can you please send that link in that? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, just now I shared. Any questions? Yes, tell me how many people are willing for this batch. You can pay later, but just I'm asking for confirmation. You can send your names in the chat window. How many people are willing?
So when this course will be completed?
Sir, 7 weekends, sir. This month is March, right? Maybe you can expect March, April, May, maximum in the middle of May.
Okay.
So daily, every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you will take for 3 hours.
Yes, sir. Saturday 3 hours, Sunday 3 hours.
Okay. Actually, I didn't start join in the starting of class today.
Okay, no problem.
You
Nothing I
you will
covered.
provide material and videos, right? I mean,
Yes, sir.
after joining, not now. After joining.
Yeah. You can see just 1 second. Yeah, now you can see the content. Okay. Yeah, right, guys. See you in the tomorrow's evening session, 5 p.m. Thank you.